Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Venu 3 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, you should see the My Day page. On it you should see the icon of your Garmin Venu 3 right here. You can tap on this icon to open the device page, and now tap on the More Options icon to open the menu, then tap on Remove Device, and tap on Remove. If you see this pop up, tap on Settings and it should redirect you to the Bluetooth settings. If it doesn't, simply open the settings on your phone and find the Bluetooth or connected devices settings on your phone, and it should direct you to this page. On this page, find the watch. Once you see it, tap on it, tap on Disconnect, or rather, my bad, not Disconnect, tap on Forget, and then tap on Forget Device to remove it. Okay, and then you can close the settings and the app. And that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.